Did you know that by 2050, the number of people aged 80 or older is expected to triple? That's a lot of birthdays. It got me thinking, how can we make sure those extra years are healthy and vibrant? What if I told you the secret to staying young isn't found in a fancy jar or an expensive clinic? I'm diving into the best health tips to stay young naturally, and I'm challenging myself to follow them for a whole month. Let's see if I can really turn back the clock. I'll be tracking everything, from my energy levels to how I look and feel, and I'm taking you along for the ride. We're constantly bombarded with messages about aging. Wrinkles are bad. Gray hair is something to hide, and getting older is something to fear. Society pushes this idea that we need to fight aging with extreme measures. We see ads for miracle creams, invasive procedures, and quick fix solutions that promise eternal youth. But these often come with a high price tag, both financially and physically, and they rarely address the root causes of aging. The truth is, many of us fall into the trap of thinking that these are the only options. We get so focused on the external signs of aging that we forget what truly matters: our internal health. This pressure can be exhausting and lead to a negative self-image. It is time to shift the focus from fighting aging to embracing a lifestyle that promotes vitality from the inside out. Real youthfulness isn't about looking like you're 20 forever. It's about feeling energetic, strong, and mentally sharp at any age. That is the challenge I am taking on, to prove that the most powerful anti-aging tools are already within our reach, and they're completely natural. So, let's get into the good stuff. What are these natural secrets? First up, let's talk about food. It's not about restrictive diets. It's about adding color to your plate. I'm talking about antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Antioxidants are like your body's personal bodyguards, fighting off damage from free radicals that accelerate aging. I've been starting my day with a blueberry and spinach smoothie, and I've already noticed a boost in my energy. Next is movement. You don't have to run a marathon. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise a day, like a brisk walk or some yoga, can do wonders. It improves circulation, which gives your skin a healthy glow, and it releases endorphins, those amazing feel-good hormones. I've been doing morning stretches and an evening walk, and it's been a game changer for my mood. And let's not forget the mind. Chronic stress is a major ager. It can literally break down your cells. This month, I'm prioritizing mindfulness. I'm taking 5 minutes every day to just sit and breathe. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly effective at calming the nervous system. Finally, skincare. The secret isn't a 10-step routine with a million products. It's about two things: hydration and sun protection. I've been religious about drinking water throughout the day and wearing SPF 30 every single morning. Rain or shine, UV damage is the #1 cause of premature skin aging. So this is non-negotiable. Now, after exploring all these tips, you might be wondering, what's the single most impactful thing you can do? If I had to pick just one, it would be this: prioritize your sleep. It's the ultimate game changer. We live in a hustle culture where sleeping less is often seen as a badge of honor. But that's one of the worst things we can do for our long-term health and youthfulness. During deep sleep, your body goes into major repair mode. Your brain flushes out toxins. Your cells regenerate, and your body produces human growth hormone, which is essential for maintaining tissues and organs. Think of it as a nightly reset button for your entire system. When you consistently get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, the benefits are huge. Your skin looks plumper and more radiant because your body has had time to repair collagen. Your cognitive function improves, you're sharper, more focused, and your memory is better. It also helps regulate your appetite and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. For my 1-month challenge, I've set a strict bedtime and created a calming evening routine. No screens an hour before bed. Just a good book and a cup of herbal tea. Honestly, this one change has had the most dramatic effect. I wake up feeling truly refreshed. My under-eye circles have diminished, and I just feel more resilient. So, if you're going to start anywhere, start with sleep. It's free, it feels amazing, and it's the closest thing we have to a real fountain of youth. So, to recap, staying young naturally boils down to nourishing your body with colorful foods, moving it daily, managing stress, protecting your skin, and most importantly, getting quality sleep. What's your go-to health tip for staying vibrant? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to read them. And be sure to subscribe, because in my next video, I'm diving even deeper into holistic wellness and revealing my 1-month transformation. Thanks for watching.